We have the potential to be blissful, but we're not. Because there's 18 coverings of the jiva. And there's 18 coverings of every single jiva in the human form, or any jiva. One is hunger, thirst, sleep, illusion, and there's Sanskrit names, of course, and then lamentation. And those 18 features, 18 characteristics of the jivatma, they're mentioned in Bhagavad and other places, and Puranas. None of them, doesn't say any of them that you're, what do you say? So Tantra Anand, or you're independently, that you're blissful. Krishna is Ishvara Parama, Krishna Satchidananda Vigraha. Krishna is Satchidananda Vigraha. He is the form, a transcendental, eternal, unlimited, all-pervasive form of eternal, unlimited, ever-expanding bliss. Eternal. Nityananda. The jiva is a particle of Krishna in Bhagavad Gita 7:14. Is it right? Mamevamsho jiva loke jiva bhuta. Mamevamsho amsha. Mama amsha. Jiva loke jiva bhuta sanatana. You're Sanatan. Jiva bhuta sanatana. Gita chapter 7 verse 14. You are my part. Mamevamsho jiva. How's it going? Jiva loke. So he says, you're my amsha. Everyone in this loka, everyone in this world is my part and parcel. In the sense that we're eternal and we're conscious. And because we have this Shakti connection with Krishna, we're Tatastha Shakti, Jiva Shakti, we have potential for Anand, bliss, happiness. But it's not, sometimes people say, Krishna is Satchidananda Vibhu, and the Jivas are Satchidananda Anu. It's sometimes said and written. Krishna is Satchidananda Vibhu. Vibhu means great, unlimited, vast, immeasurable. And the Jivas are Anu. Anu Chit and Anu Sat. But not Anu Anand. There's no Anand. It's Niranand. Even Srila Prabhupada himself, this is such a nice verse. He says like this, Prabhupada said, he says, the Jiva is Satchidanand, but the body is Asat, Achit, and Niranand. So that's correct about the body, but the little slight modification that the Atma is Sat, Chit, and Niranand. But the thing is, the body is Niranand and never becomes blissful unless the soul is there. Dead body is not very blissful.